It's another Sunday afternoon, and today is the perfect day to spend some time in my planner. And instead of planning my week in my usual Inkwell Press 360, I am going to use Kimmy's planner, the new She's in Her Apron planner. I want to see how well it's going to work for me in my home. So let me go ahead and get the planner flipped open and get my plans made for the week. And I thought I would try to plan pretty as well. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. So it's week 5, but it's zone 5 and zone 1. What do I mean by zone 5 and zone 1? Well, August 30th and 31st is zone 5. So I'll spend one day working in zone 5. And then September 1st starts zone 1. And I'll spend 3 days working in zone 1. And zone 5 is the living room or family room. And I'm going to do some work in the family room. And then of course zone 1 is the entryway, the dining room, the front porch. And this video is brought to you by Apron Diva, my online apron boutique. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. And the featured apron for this week is the Sweet Pea. It is just so pretty. I absolutely love it. My theme for the month of September is decluttering. And the areas that I want to focus on include Swedish death cleaning, healthy eating, and new products for fall. And I'm just going to go right to the particular month that I want to work with. So for zone 5, clean the blinds. And then zone 1, I'm going to pull the pots on the porch, decorate porch for fall, and decorate entryway. And then any unused decor is going to be purged. Okay, so these are just a few of the things that I need to put on for the week. Now I'll write a few things in here that I need to do or to people to see, places to go. So I know I said I was going to plan pretty, or at least I was going to try, and I did try. But what I realized when I got out all of these stickers and I got out my scissors and all of this stuff, my washi tape, I realized I stopped planning like that for a reason. It took up way too much time, and I don't like to plan like that anymore. So one good thing that has come out of this experiment is that I realized since I don't like to plan like that anymore, these are some things that as I'm doing my Swedish death cleaning, I can purge and I can give away, because I've got 2 sisters who do like to plan using all this kind of stuff. So I can get some of this stuff out of my house. So I will see you guys tomorrow for zone 5 cleaning, and I'm only working in the zone for one day, and then I'll see you the rest of the week for zone 1, and then it'll be task 1, 2, and 3. So I wasn't going to decorate this entryway at first, and then I watched one of Kenya's videos from Kenya at Kenya's Decor Corner, and she was showing how she decorated her entryway for fall, and she was really showing some really good ideas as to how you can really make it look pretty and keep it simple and use things that you already have in your home. So I thought, okay, I am inspired to decorate this entryway. So I'm going to give it a quick wipe down because I've already done some of the things in here that need to be done, so it won't take me much to do. So I am inspired to decorate my entryway. If you missed Kenya's video, I will link it above with an iCard and also put it in the description box below. So my husband brought my things down from the attic, and we'll see what I use. I definitely want to figure out a place for this. This is the picture that normally goes in that space. It's a picture of our home, and my husband had the walls repainted, so we took it down and it wasn't back up yet. So he had to put up a hanger so that we could get that one hung up. I always like having it there, but it'll be nice to have that one there for fall. Well, the entryway is decorated for fall, so I can check off task 1 for zone 1 of week 5 and 1. Well, it's another day of zone 1 cleaning, only here's the deal. It is not Thursday because life happened and I wasn't able to get out here and do the things that I had planned to do yesterday. Today is Friday, which means that I'm only going to be able to get one other task done here on the porch today. And today's task is going to be to pull the pots and sweep everything down to prepare it for decorating. And decorating will have to wait. As we say in the Flylady system, there's no catch-up. There's no porn on catch-up, as Flylady Cat says. So let's get it started. These are some of my favorite spring and summer decors, but it's time to retire them. I got this late in the summer. My husband brought this home as a surprise and I just love it. It says, life is about learning to dance in the rain. I thought, what a nice sentiment. I'll trim up this ivy on the porch and then I'll be done with cleaning the porch off. Now if there was a lot more of this ivy sticking out, I would have just had the hubby get the hedge trimmer and then just go down the edge with that. But since it wasn't very much, just took care of it just nicely. Look what I found when I moved that pot. Yuck, yuck, yuck. That's gotta go. Some of these, like this one, didn't do well because of the heat. It just got so hot, they just burned up, and no matter how much I watered them, they just couldn't survive. So that's what happened to a lot of this out here in the front. I think I'm going to leave this one as it is. It's really starting to look very fall-like. And these Carolina Hawk sweet potato vines are really looking like fall right here too. So these are going to stay as they are. And then another thing, hubby wants to work on the back patio. He wants to pull some of the pots back there. So we'll probably go ahead and get that started. And since he's in the mood to help right now, I better strike while the iron is hot. So potatoes didn't do so well. Onions are kind of small. So my porch is cleaned off, it's been swept, the pots have been pulled. Now here's the thing, I had all kind of plans for zone 1 this week, but they just didn't materialize. Life just got in the way. But as I said earlier, there's no point on catch up. I am not behind, I am right where I am. And as you can see, zone 1 came around pretty quickly. I'll probably go ahead and get the porch decorated on another day, particularly since my friend Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life is having a porch decorating collaboration. So I'll join in that with her and get that done so I can have the porch ready for fall, because I've got some ideas of things I'd like to do. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out another of my August diaries and zone cleaning, and I will see you next time. Be sure to visit us at www.aprondiva.com.